Hi guys! Kagagaling ko lang sa work and today, lalagyan ko ng earring yung tenga ni Breanna. Pero hindi ko sasabihin sa kanya. Kasi ilang beses ko nang trinay siyang ipunta sa pharmacy para magpalagay ng hikaw. Itatagalog ko para hindi niya maintindihan. Para magpalagay ng hikaw sa tenga niya. Kaso ayaw niya. Nga dalawang balik kami doon. As in yung yung pharmacist na yung nag-give up, sabi, wag na lang. Next time na lang pagka okay na. Gusto ko talaga siyang lagyan ng hikaw. Bumili ako ng DIY na pang ng earring. Kasi siya. Ayan. Binili ko siya sa Amazon. Subukan ko muna pala sa akin para malaman ko kung gaano siya kasakit. Siyempre. At may batang yagit dito sa likod ko na hindi man nag-brush ng hair niya. So, yan, let's stop. Si Breanna, meron na siyang talaga, butas sa tenga. Kaso nga lang, nagsara siya nung bata siya kasi laging natatanggal. Okay, ito na siya. And may kasama siya alcohol. Ayan, may kasama siya. 3 pair siya. Ano kaya to? Oh, meron ng alcohol. Medyo natatakot din ako. Ipupush lang ata to. Oo, ipupush. Igaganon lang. Can you see that? Oh, pero okay siya. Masakit siya pag dahan-dahan. Breanna! Breanna!
Hello!
Happy pa siya. Don't move, ha?
Why?
I will clean your ears, okay? Don't you close your eyes. Iniring ako. You like it?
No, it's not.
Let's clean the other one.
No.
Biglaan? No, we'll just clean it. We'll clean your ears. No, it's already done.
No.
Sige, nagtubog yan.
No.
Diba it's already done? Kan. Don't cry. No, video. Like,
Are you proud with me?
Yeah. Is it hurting you?
No.
Listo.
I mean, are you proud with me?
Yeah, I'm always
me.
proud of you. Espeta, ha?
But why?
Because you're brave, me. Pinapakita. Wow, do you like it?
Yeah.
What color is that?
Pink.
Yeah.
I want pink. It's the same me to paint me to my clothes.
It's the same with your clothes, but this one's
And
baliktad.
It's not baliktad.
It is baliktad.
What? It's the same. It's the same.
Don't touch it, it's
clothes.
painful. Mine is painful. I don't
Why?
know why. I don't
Why?
know.
My ears is not painful.
Yours is not painful. May naman eh.
But
Let's clean it with alcohol every day, okay? You know. GGSS kabi.
You see it?
Yeah.
Are you proud of me?
Yeah.
Are you proud of me? Of, not with.
What were you saying?
Injection check. And check. And then toothpaste. Not a
Not what toothpaste?
I did it.
Dentist.
Dentist.
You're going to the dentist.
Yeah. Because mommy's about it too.
Injection and the earring, you were crying. Next time, with the dentist, don't cry anymore, okay? Because it's not painful, diba? You keep on crying and then you find out it's not painful. Yeah.
I say you were joking me with my earring.
Yeah, because I know that you're going to cry.